Here's how to fix Windows error messages quickly. Step 1. Run System File Scanner, SFC scan. Press Windows plus S, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Windows will scan for corrupted or missing system files and automatically repair them. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take a few minutes. Once finished, it will display a summary of repairs. This can resolve errors caused by damaged system files. Step 2. Restart Windows in safe mode. Press Windows plus I, go to System and Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now. After reboot, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart, then press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with networking. Safe Mode lets you troubleshoot and isolate issues causing error messages. After completing these steps, most Windows error messages should be resolved. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.